The XTOOL D9HD is a powerful diagnostic tool for both 12V cars and 24V diesel trucks, featuring module topology mapping for faster fault detection and ECU coding for advanced repairs. In comparison, the OBD Star X300DP Plus offers full system diagnostics and key programming, but focuses more on automotive applications. The D9HD stands out for its versatility, supporting both passenger and heavy-duty vehicles, making it the superior choice for professionals needing comprehensive diagnostics and programming capabilities. Come get yours today at Locksmith Keyless. Give us a call at 305-629-9599 or visit us at locksmithkeyless.com, and make sure to follow and subscribe to Locksmith Keyless on social media for the latest video on deals, unboxing, tutorials. Stay up to date on any news, anything and everything key related by giving us a follow.